Triumph Speed 400 stands poised as the perfect balance of heritage and contemporary performance. With design cues inspired by Triumph's legendary Roadsters, it carries a timeless silhouette-crowned headlamp, sculpted fuel tank, and clean lines yet enhanced with modern precision. The red hopper, phantom black, or Caspian blue paint schemes gleam against the sunlight, each paired with refined detailing that elevates its character. This motorcycle embodies the essence of Triumph, iconic design, crafted for today's riders. The camera moves closer, the Triumph Speed 400's premium craftsmanship becomes clear. The brushed aluminum touches, machine-finished engine casings, and signature Triumph badging speak of a brand that values detail. The exposed trellis frame and sleek exhaust system hint at agility and strength, while the upright ergonomics promise comfort for both city streets and weekend escapes. This is a motorcycle built to be approachable, yet rich with personality. On the road, the Triumph Speed 400 comes alive with a single-cylinder engine that delivers responsive acceleration and smooth torque across the rev range. Whether weaving through traffic or gliding along open highways, the bike's agility shines. Suspension and braking, engineered with precision, inspire confidence for new riders and seasoned enthusiasts alike. It's a lightweight roadster that feels effortless, yet thrilling. As dusk approaches, the Triumph Speed 400 cuts through the city under the warm glow of streetlights. Its modern LED headlamp illuminates the path, while the exhaust note carries a subtle, distinct thrum. The final cinematic shot widens, showing the bike fading into the night confident, stylish, and undeniably Triumph. A motorcycle that doesn't just carry you forward, but carries a legacy forward too. As the camera moves closer, the Triumph Speed 400's premium craftsmanship becomes clear. The brushed aluminum touches, machine-finished engine casings, and signature Triumph badging speak